Hello everybody. Today we can see about Erba Mannheim. Here we can see the front view of this product. We can see the other angles. In this side, you can see the code number 131962. Yeah, and this is a. Here we can see the product name ASO CRP RF Control High Kit. Here we can see the brand name Erba Mannheim. This kit contains ASO CRP RF Control High 1 into 1 ml. And we are going to see the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date, and all the details. This is C certificate IVD product. On the other angle, we can see the brand name Erba Mannheim. On the other angle, we can see the manufacturing details. In the top view, we can see the brand name. This is the overall view of this product. Here we go for summary. Today we can see the ASO CRP RF Control High Kit. This kit is suitable for this 3 ASO, CRP and RF. Thank you.